All right, welcome to our last week of our waltz and salsa chunk in our Learn to Dance series level 2. Today was another waltz step. This was what we call our left turn C. It gets us used to understanding rotation a little bit in our waltz and also still using those angles that we've been talking about. Okay, so left turn C obviously turns leftward, it turns counterclockwise. We want to start on diagonal center, and then we want to end on diagonal wall. Okay, so leaders, that's your responsibility to get to those angles. And Joanne and I will dance through those together, and then I'll break down the footwork. All right, so we're going to go here. I'm going to start diagonal center. As I come around, I'm going to end up backing line of dance as the leader, and then facing diagonal wall. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so one more time from the other direction. We're here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely, thank you, Joanne. All right, let's break down the footwork now. Leaders, your first 3 steps are gonna be really big. Okay, so whoever's going forward when you rotate in a dance takes the bigger steps. Okay, if you're going backwards and rotating, you're gonna take the smaller steps. So leaders, your first 3 steps are gonna be nice and big, and then your second 3 will be a little bit smaller. All right, so let's go from this angle for right now. Again, I'm presenting on diagonal center here, all right? My first 3 steps, I'll then end actually backwards. Okay, so I'm kind of facing my diagonal center of line of dance, but after my first 3 steps, the lady is facing line of dance. So what I mean is I'm here, I'm gonna go forward with the left foot, big step to the side with the right, and I close my feet. That's the way I wanna go. So that's line of dance. This is why we say we're backing line of dance, okay? But we're not done yet. So from here, I now step back on my right foot, turn my foot in a little. I'm gonna take a small side step with my left, and then I'm gonna close my feet as the lady comes around. Now I'm on diagonal wall. And that's my 4, 5, 6. All right, so let me do this away from the camera. All right, this is my diagonal center now. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right, we talked a little bit about twisting to help with get the lady around, that CBN that we spoke about in class. All takes a bit of practice. Okay, so just practice this on your own. If you have a chance to practice with a partner, that's great, but it's really important to also practice this on your own. And you can really fine tune some of that technique in your private lessons as well. Okay, ladies, let's talk about your footwork here. I think I'll go this way for you to start out. Okay, so ladies, right here, you're gonna feel your partner hopefully really driving into you, all right? So your first 3 steps are a little bit on the smaller side because your partner has to get around you, but then the second 3 steps, you need to make those nice and big. We're here, we go 1, 2, 3. I'm now facing line of dance, and then big steps 4, 5, 6, and now my back is to that diagonal wall angle. Good. I'll do this toward the camera now for you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, very good. Hopefully you're practicing all of your waltz and salsa steps. Keep that up. Next time after the dance, we will be going into our cha-cha. All right, so happy practicing.